Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a fully working to-do list app built directly in Webflow. The first step is to prepare the user interface of the app. It will consist of a form that allows adding new to-dos. Note that I have given the ID Todo input to the text field in the form so that we can easily retrieve its value. Then, we also need to set up the list of Todo items. Each Todo can be marked as done or simply deleted using these two icons. Now that the UI is ready, it's time to connect everything with minimal JavaScript code. First, you need to set up the Todo state variable. It is going to be an array, meaning that it will contain a list of Todo items. Then, we can select the form and add a submit action onto it. The event.preventDefault method allows us to cancel the default behavior of the form, which is to submit it. That way, we can take control over it and manage the submit even ourselves. The code is very simple. We extract the list of Todos using the getState function. We add a new Todo to the list. The Todo is an object with a name and a done status. And finally, we update the list of Todos using the setState function. Alright, now we can select the Todo entry element, and we will enable the loop option in FlowScript so that this element is generated for each and every Todo item inside of the Todos array. Then, we can select the Todo title element and connect it with the Todo name variable. Perfect. Now let's add some functionality to the check and delete buttons. We start by adding a click action. The code is very simple this time too. First, we retrieve the list of Todos. Then, we use the index of the current to-do that is stored under Todo_index variable to modify the Todo's done state by inverting its value. And finally, we save the Todos once again. Now, let's do the Remove button. Once again, it's the same logic, but this time we use the splice method to remove the to-do from the list at the given index. Another thing we need to do is to strike out the to-do when it's done. For that, we add an element rendered action, and inside of it, we check the value of the done property for our current to-do. It's true. Then we add a line-through styling to the to-do. I think we are ready to give this a try and see if it works. We publish the Webflow project and open the page. As we can see, the to-do list works really well. We can add todos, remove them, and mark them as done or not. There's one little improvement we can do, and it's to reset the value of the input field whenever a to-do is added. For that, we select the form element and modify the submit action. We just need to add a line of code to reset the value of the to-do input every time the form is submitted. We can give it a try, and it works perfectly fine now. That is it for this tutorial. We have seen how to use FlowScript to quickly and easily create a to-do list app with minimal JavaScript code. Stay tuned for more demos and tutorials.